Good evening, citizens of Punjab. My name is Amit Talwar. I'm Additional Secretary in Department of Water Supply and Sanitation. I'm also a member of the State Control Room created for the COVID for the state of Punjab. Today is the 73rd day for sharing the information on COVID. As on today, in the word figures, we have 64,75,000 confirmed cases, out of which 30,84,000 cases have recovered. And we have a figure for the dead cases is 3,83,000 for the word as on today. For India, the same figures for the confirmed cases are 2,08,543, out of which 1,0419 are recovered cases. In case of India, the number of people dead are 5,834 as on date. In Punjab, the situation is very stable. We have total positive cases 2,376. This is an increase of 34 cases since yesterday. However, recovered cases are 2,029 in Punjab. In Punjab, we have total life loss so far is 47 and one patient is on the ventilator support as on time. Department of Water Supply and Sanitation was very much involved during this all 43 days in the COVID because water is an essential service and whole staff in the field was involved for providing clean and safe water for the people of Punjab. Wherever there were interruptions, the staff was very prompt in removing those interruptions, resolving the complaints of the citizens and making the water clean by use of adequate quantity of the hypochlorite. Besides that, our own staff is involved fully with the district administration, assisting the district administration, providing the full support. Some of them are put on as the nodal officers handling the district control rooms. Many of them are putting on the executive magistrate duties and they are supporting the district administration. Besides that, at the personal level also, the staff has provided masks, sanitizers to the lower staff, to the people, to the villages, wherever it was required. Not only that, it is all possible because the people of Punjab has come forward and they have worked in sport with the department and the people of Punjab, we have many success stories from the Punjab where the sarpanchis were proactive in dealing with this pandemic of COVID and they were providing full assistance to the villagers. A few names which comes to my mind is the Hara village in the Pathankot where young Sarpanch Palvi Thakur was very active. She provided the sport, created isolation center in the village, provided the essential services to the villagers wherever required. Not only that, she stitched the masks also herself and provided to the villagers. Another village is Chima Bhat in Amritsar, in which Mr. Ravinder Singh Bhat, who is the Sarpanch, they had 18 cases which returned from Nanded, but none of the casualty in the village because the Sarpanch was very proactive in creating the isolation center, as well as Sarpanch was proactive in providing the essential support to the people who had come back. Similarly, our own staff has been instrumental in upgrading the medical infrastructure from public health point of view, in the medical colleges, in the community health centers, or maybe the hospitals at the district level and the subdivision level. So our department staff has been upgrading it for last 2 months. Not only that, in a very quick fashion, viral testing labs also have been created during this time. And Punjab government has enhanced its capacity to 9,000 COVID-19 tests per day in the 3 government medical centers. To take care of the testing quality, an expert group has been created under the Vice Chancellor of the Baba Farid University, along with the doctors of the 3 medical colleges, to provide you more additional information about how the medical health infrastructure has been upgraded in a very quick fashion to meet up to the challenge of the pandemic. I have with me Mr. Arun from the department of, he's a chief engineer in the department of PWD. He will provide you more information on that, how the health infrastructure has been scaled up in last 2 months.
Since COVID spread in the last 2 months, PWD in assistance with the DWSS department is working hard to improve and enhance the medical as well as testing facilities in the various hospitals and medical colleges of Punjab. In last 2 months, PWD and other allied engineering departments have spent around 15 crore on revamping of the districts level hospitals, the SEAL hospitals as well as CHCs. And in addition to that, we are also working on establishing 4 testing labs to enhance the testing capacity of the state for COVID-19. These 4 labs are being established at Mohali, 2 number at Mohali, 1 at Jalandhar, 1 at Ludhiana. They are waiting approval of the SDRF, and within next 15 days this will also be taken in hand and completed, and the testing facility of the state will be enhanced.